Good morning, everybody, from the Nova Pioneer Midrand. My name is Ndibuo Grace Mutengwe, and this is the Nova Pioneer Midrand Market Day of 2024. So we're gonna go around asking stores questions on how long it took them to make their products, how much effort they put in, and so forth. Maybe we could be lucky enough to try some food. So let's go. Sama.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. I'm just here to ask a few questions about your store. So what are you guys selling?
On my side over here, we are selling kotas, also selling ice cream as well.
Yeah.
And on the other side, we're selling like sweets, we're selling fizzers, lollipops, pin pops, and we're also selling cool drinks. So like, if you want, you can come and get.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long or how much effort did you guys put into making these kotas and buying all of these sweets?
It was quite a lot of money. I spent around 880 rand just buying the ingredients on my part, and then the others, I know Zwandile said he spent around 900 rand trying to get ingredients because we're also selling donuts as well, mini donuts. So it did take quite a lot of work, because yesterday I was up until like 10 o'clock just making the chips, making sure the Viennas are okay and everything else is okay. We had a bit of a problem in the morning because like we didn't know how much bread we needed, but I think we'll be fine now.
So how does it taste? It looks very nice.
The sweet chili
Yeah.
adds everything.
I'm here with the brine master. So how is the brine going?
It's going quite well. We just had a bit of technical difficulties recently, but everything else is going good. But all customers that had technical difficulties were compensated with double what they bought. So we had 3 issues that the boerewors was not well done, so we had to redo it. So this time we've decided to test whether it's well done or not. So when we fixed the issue, we gave them a burger, a boerewors roll, one that's done proper this time, and chips for compensation, which is more than they ordered, but yeah.
Good day, Novaneers. My name is Ramaratile Sevekedi. I'm here at Nova Pioneer Midrand Secondary High, and I'm here to interview my fellow Novaneers and ask them about their entrepreneurship day, basically. So, hello, what's your name?
Hi everybody, my name is Malaika, and this stall is called Knit and Nibbles.
Okay, Knit and Nibbles. So, like, what group efforts did you guys put into this?
So we do have some of our group members, being Asi and Tuto. They crocheted like our handmade plushies and bows, and then Asi and I bought the sweets for the nibbles part of the business. And then here we have our accessories, our bracelets. DVH provided a lot of the stock, and then these are going to be the handmade bracelets that we're still making throughout the day.
Okay, and so are you learning anything new from this?
I'm learning the value of teamwork, hard work, and project management, because it's not easy being like the manager of the group, but then it's a valuable life lesson, and there's a first time for everything.
So since you guys you're participating in today's market day, do you want to like someday open like some sort of a business?
To be honest, in the beginning, not really. We felt obligated to do this, but then I'm glad that we did take part in this, because like I said, there's a lot of valuable life lessons, and it's preparing us for the future if we do want to start our own businesses. So we do kind of see how business studies applies in the real world.
Please may you tell us what's the name of your store?
So the name of our store is Beads and Busy, and we have a lot of beads, and we also have drinks at the back.
Who are your teammates, team members that helped you participate?
It's me and Grace, but we have a lot of volunteers who are willing to help us, like Akila and Kabaso.
Yes, so do you believe that business is all about teamwork?
It is. I mean, together we can accomplish a lot, so I do believe it.
Do you think you're learning anything from this market day?
I am. Business is actually like sometimes really stressful, but I mean, we're making money, so we're going forward.
Okay, so does this motivate you to open like a business of your own in the future?
It really does. I believe I'm going to be a CEO one day, so yes.
Okay, let's do that. What inspired you to do such a game?
Because it's a very versatile game. Everybody plays FIFA. Even maybe your grandmother plays FIFA. It's very easy to learn, and a lot of people can play it at a time. So we picked FIFA because it's the most popular.
Given that you guys have started this business today, did you learn anything new?
Yes, we learned that it's very easy to market to children. So if we are going to do this business again, maybe next year, we are going to market to more kids so they can have fun here at our stalls, and we have to get more food.
What inspired you to come up with the name 5 Ninjas?
So like we realized that like we all liked busy playing as ninjas when we were children, and we want to cater towards children. So the 5 of my group members, we became 5 ninjas because that's what we wanted to be when we were younger.
Okay, that's nice. That's very, very creative. It gives you like a background and a way to approach your target market, because then you know the common background because you are once at their age, and that's a good thing to think about when it comes to business. The consumer this time. I have a fellow Novaneer of mine once again, Alexandra. And what are the new stuff that you've learned today?
I'm learning how to not blow my money one time and one stop. First, check out other opinions before I blow my money. Yeah.
That makes sense. And how's the customer service? Are the producers, the sellers, are they like attending to you? How's it going?
It's been amazing. It's been good actually. They've been very professional. Although I do think that they did not expect that this many students or people would come, but other than that, they've been very good. They've been really professional.
Novaneers, Timara and Olwetu. So Timara and Olwetu, what have you guys bought today? We'll start with Timara this side.
So far I've bought a yo-yo and a slushie and cool drink and a bracelet.
Sounds like a lot of stuff you bought, Olwetu.
I brought a drink and a quota.
Okay.
I've learned that I really don't like being a business owner, guys. This is not cut out for me. I told the child she can't get on the trampoline because she didn't have 5 rand. She looked at me, she smiled, and she got on.
So the first parent we'll be interviewing will be Atang's lovely mom. Hi Atang's mom, how are you?
Hi, I'm great, thanks, and yourself?
I'm fine. So how are you finding today's market day?
It's quite impressive. I'm liking the vibe. I'm liking everyone's here. I've seen different business. Everything is going right.
Oh, that's wonderful. So did you go to work today, or you just have been here the whole day?
I'm also working. I've connected my laptop this side, so I'm working this side and that other side.
We like the support that you're giving us. And how would you say, like, are you looking forward to next year's one if it's going to be like this?
Definitely, I'll be here. 2025, we'll be here.
So then I see you're providing a service. What's your service?
Spend a time with puppies.
Okay, you guys heard it. She's providing a service where people are going to pay to spend some time with some puppies.
So Mr. Tabete, what were you doing today?
So today I bought bracelets, but I spent a lot of the time here where I was gaming. I played mainly FIFA with the students and with the teachers also. So I played with the maths teacher first and I won. And we played with the kids, and I think I underestimated them because the last match that I played here, I got humbled. One of the grade 8 learners beat me 2-0. so I still need to go and redeem myself there. So yeah, but it's been very nice experience. There's also Gran Turismo where they have a driving simulation that people can come play. It's a very relaxed place. There's popcorn, there's drinks. It was really fun.
I'm here with our school leader / principal, Mr. Sizo Chalufu. So today, what have you learned from this experience as the school leader?
Well, a couple of things really. It's just, for example, seeing some students setting up their e-sports areas for PlayStation, just to realize how much this has become a big part of young people today. It made me think, it should be a part of what we do maybe in the future, set up an esports zone for our school. But obviously we'll need to raise funds and get all the equipment that is needed. But also just seeing how the students come together, organizing this event, the arrangements, all the planning that has gone, behind the scenes. That has really impressed me and shown me that our students are living out our culture principles of greater together, always growing, and high expectations.
How much did you contribute to your business, and how much have you made so far from counting?
So we contributed 1.2 thousand, and so far we've only counted a quarter of our money, and it's 1.6 thousand.
So we made 8,000 rand.
Wow! 8,000 rand! I'm here to ask you about today's experience. What have you learned so far from this marketing experience as a business owner?
So during market day, I learned that you should never make promises you can't keep. This is due to the fact that our business was successful. The first few rounds, I made the batches myself because I took mince, rolled it up, added some spice, then flattened it, then it made a patty. And people were really loving these burgers and patty. Also the Boravos roll I bought myself. Second batch we bought from the store, and then everything was going good until we realized that we'd run out. So then that means we needed more. So then we asked one of the Novaneers parents to please go buy some for us. So because Mr. Mtaung had only brought rolls for us, because we forgot to assign him to bring Boravos. So we asked this parent to go get some for us, but he took like 2 hours, and during that 2 hours our orders had piled up. And then everyone had left, so we still had to grill the burgers and the Boravos, which took like 30 minutes. And then people were waiting, and we had forgotten which people we owed. So all those promises were... So then the whole day we were working on scraps, waiting for these burgers. And then our burgers finished all of a sudden, and we're owing like 14 people. These people want them now. But luckily, one of our co-workers had store-bought frozen Pick and Pay patties, which was supposed to be our last option. And then at that time we knew we just had to improvise, so we did that. But then we started realizing we're out of burger rolls. We're like, okay, we gotta improvise again, because like we had a million, like a lot of hot dog rolls, like I think it was 80. So we didn't cut them in half. We took the patties from Pick and Pay, we cut them in half, and then we put each of the halves on the roll, yes, and then we served it like that with some tomato sauce. And then today was quite drastic. I won't even lie. I learned so many. I think I owe someone 300 rands, but today was quite drastic. I learned quite a couple of things.